Welcome to the Philippines, a foreigner's way of life, where we share with you our simply simple lifestyle. Now tonight, I don't know how simple it was because I started hearing things outside that I've never heard since I've been here in the Philippines. Some of you might know what it is, but I don't. And even right now, I don't. Grabbed my camera, told Rachel what I heard, got them to come outside. Wasn't really sure if it was smart to do it or not, but I wanted to know what it was. Told her to grab the flashlight. So stay tuned and find out what we found out. Hey, today is April the 4th, 2023. It's 9:56 p.m. at nighttime. And we're hearing a new noise that we have never heard since I've been here. I've been here over 9 years now. And we're going to try to go outside and figure out what it is. I've kind of isolated it through the window up in one of the trees, so we're hoping it's just a bird. But we're going to go find out. And we're going to try to be quiet enough so maybe it can be recorded on this video. Right, Titus? You just stay behind me though, just in case, okay? Hey, get that stick, get that rod right there. We could hit something in the head with it. So. And Titus, be quiet now, okay? This is kind of scary. But I can't stand not knowing what something is like that.
Yeah.
You know, in the Philippines they say white ladies live up in the trees. I don't think this is a white lady. I know you can't hardly see, but I really think it's up here in this tree that I'm pointing at. The moon is kind of bright tonight. Before we shine the flashlight, I really want to hear it again. I don't hear it yet. You scared? Oh, I wish we could see better. In a minute after we hear it, we'll try to shine a flashlight on it. But you know how it is when you get your camera out, things stop doing what they were doing before you grabbed your camera. It's our gate. A really bright light. There it goes. Did you hear that?
Yeah. I heard it.
Shh. Let's see if it does it again. There it is again. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
What did it sound like?
I don't know.
You ain't never heard of this in your whole life. You've lived here your whole life.
I never heard it.
What did it sound like to you?
What?
He's had a cold and he can't hardly hear very well, but okay, that ain't what I'm talking about there. That's just a itty bitty baby lizard.
Yeah.
But what we're hearing tonight, I have no idea what it is. Maybe somebody out there in the YouTube fan club out there, maybe y'all can tell me what it is. You know, it being up in the tree like that, it could possibly be obviously a bird of some sort. We do have some big old bats in the Philippines and even here in Cebu, but I've never seen one. We have big lizards that climb, not lizards, we have big rats that climb the coconut trees and they eat holes into the coconut and drink the milk and the meat. They eat and drink and then they fall on the ground. I don't think it's a big rat because I would have heard it already. It might be some type of tropical bird that's coming in or flying through, who knows. We'll stay just a few more minutes and see if we hear it, okay? Now, I tell you what, since we've heard it, get your flashlight, shine up there in that tree, Rachel. Alright, I now know kinda what it was. I shined the flashlight up and it flew away, whatever it was. It was some type of a bird, but I didn't see it. Did you see it?
No.
But we scared it away. Well, not a white lady this time. And for you Filipino fans, there's no such thing as white lady and evil spirits in the tree. But there are millions that believe that is true. But not tonight. You've been listening to The Philippines, a foreigner's way of life, where we share with you our simply simple lifestyle. But tonight, I don't know how simple this was. It was kind of scary. Well, anyway, good night. You asleep tonight?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, don't go nowhere. If you have not subscribed, right now click this round circle of us and subscribe. Or click this playlist and see most of the videos that we have recorded. Or click this video we have recommended for you. Thank you for watching and God bless. See you next time. Bye-bye.